Oh, great shot. That entire fight has so much expression to it. Holy fuck! Maximum the hormone? That ED fucking slaps. Holy fuck. Nah, 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 nah. You know how sometimes there's a project coming up and you have your like your own like imagination of like what the opening or the ending is gonna be about. You know what I mean? Like when they announced Chainsaw Man is gonna get an anime, I know for a lot of people they may probably imagine like, ooh, I want the opening to be like this, I want the ending to be like that, or whatever. This is how I imagine Chainsaw Man's opening was gonna be. Like pure not. And visual spectacle aside, this ED sprinkle in so many Easter eggs for manga readers that if you're an anime only, you're not gonna get it. You're gonna appreciate like wow, this looks good for us, but for manga readers, we're gonna be like, holy fuck, they put that. Nah. That's a volume cover. No, but nah, nah, nah. This is my ending of the year. Nah. Screw everything else. And the cat's right in the. Okay. We'll talk about the ending later. Again, a lot of stuff sprinkled throughout to basically appease the manga readers without actually spoiling anime onlys. Like, I'm not spoiling anything. I'm just pointing out, like, yeah. This is more of a if I remember correctly, this is a cover for like the Viz website, right? But this also goes to show like what Makima is seeing, right? She is seeing the chainsaws, right? That's why the chainsaws has a reflection of her, right? Oh, it's so raw, it's so fucking good. Denji bowing down, looking up, reaching out to something that is far beyond his reach. A goal that is far beyond his his capabilities, per se. Interesting. Flower. I don't know what kind of flower it is, but it's not like the death flower that they usually use. So it doesn't symbolize death. But these crows do. These crows symbolize death though, because they are feeding on the dead. Same with these ants, also feeding onto the dead. Not gonna comment, but holy shit. Not gonna comment, but holy shit.